Oh my God, my butt is full of poop posters. Oh, feed me, change me, feed me, change me, feed me, change me. Oh, there's a worm that came out of my butt. Oh, look at that some more. Look inside there. Oh, gross. Oh my God, she's constipated. It just keeps coming out.
We're in the Harper Playhouse. Today we have baby alive.
Is she alive? Oh no, look at this. She's kind of cute, huh? She kind of looks like you. But look at that, she looks like you right there. You see that? You, Harper. Yeah. But the only thing is, you have never pooped in the tub. Your brother pooped in the tub, but not you. Not yet. Why? I guess he had to go. All right, but we have the all-new Baby Alive for 2021, and we're gonna take her out of the box. This is called Sunshine Snack, and we have a whole bunch of good stuff in there. So let's pop her out of the box and feed her, and see if she goes poo-poo in the body. What are you doing over there? You eating her lollipop? Do you think that came from Mr. Softee? Yeah. Check it out. She got cute little toes and shoes. Cute little outfit. And I'm gonna poop in your water, little girl. That's what I'm gonna do. Being a boy. Yellow bread. We got yellow food. And we have some purple food, Baby Alive. And a little popsicle thing. So you actually open this up. And I believe you're gonna make some popsicles. Check this out. They put it in there like that. You smash it in there. It comes with a nice little comb right here. And the fork. So when you feed her, obviously it's gonna come down to there. There's a little thing in the back. And there's the thing that pops off. And there's her booty. And that one just flips up and down. Pretty cool, but let's feed her and let's see what she does. So we made, this is Play-Doh that it comes with. Some little grapes. Some little, lemons, I guess, or lemon drop candies. We'll feed that to her in a minute so she can go poop in her mouth. And then it comes with this little ice cream maker, so we need to put a little bit more in there. So what you do is this, and we can blend it. We'll put a little bit of yellow in here. Okay. I believe actually we want to do this, and then we pop that in here like this. There's a little groove that it catches on. And then we can do this. And then we close it and we squeeze. And we squeeze. What?
I want to make videos for you.
You didn't want to, you're over there wandering off, so I'm good. Now you want to do it. Oh, now look at this. I made an ice cream. Uh-oh. It's a little sloppy, but it is an ice cream. I don't know what the purpose of that side is. It really looks like an ice cream that way. You need to feed her. Oh my God, you're gonna kill your baby, Harps. I'm choking. I need the Heimlich maneuver. Okay, here we go, just drop them in. Oh my goodness, Harper. Woo. Let me take her shades off so she can see herself die here. Just shoving food down her throat.
Worms.
Worms? You gonna feed her worms? That's disgusting. Oh, I like worms. Yum, yum. Feed me more worms. I want worms. Uh-oh, I think my belly hurts. I think I might have to poop. Will you change my diaper if I have to poop? Please? Can you smile? Look at the camera and smile. Give a thumbs up. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, my stomach is getting really big. What am I gonna do? I think I'm gonna poop soon. I got the pooper shooter coming.
The dog.
The dog. Oh no. It's a rainbow worm. Oh my
The
goodness.
dog.
Feed me, change me, feed me, change me, feed me, change me, feed me, change me. Isn't that on Full House? Huh? That's your favorite part of Full House, isn't it? And when who's having a bad dream?
Uncle Jess.
Yeah, because little Michelle keeps haunting him, saying, feed me, change me. You're feeding her popsicle. Ugh, I better jump. Feed me, change me, feed me, change me. Change me, change me. I'm getting really full. My belly's getting full. Oh, gross. It's going down, that's for sure. Down the pipe it goes, and out the booty it comes.
What? Imposter.
Oh, she's going to eat an imposter? Oh, that's so gross.
Well, I only make it sweet. You get in the bath?
No, you can't take the Play-Doh in the bath. You take the doll in the bath. Oh no, she ate the imposter. That's impossible. That's mission impossible. Oh, is she choking? You better give her the Heimlich. That's not the Heimlich. That's called pounding her head. Let's do the booty shake. Hold on, I think I got to go. Let's lift up my dress. And... oh my God, my butt is full of poop posters. Oh, feed me, change me, feed me, change me, feed me, change me. Oh, there's a worm that came out of my butt. Oh, look at that some more. Look inside there. Oh, gross.
I'm making a
Oh my God, she's constipated. It just keeps coming out. Oh. Okay, and then all you do is pop her butt back, just like this. Snap it, bring down her cute little swimsuit.
ate a worm.
Oh no, she must like worms. Yeah, just pound her like that and it'll go down. Remember how you jump and you can hear your juice or water in your belly?
Open up.
Say ah. Is it stuck in there or what?
Yeah.
Let me see. Alright. You want to make a Thunderbolt 1003?
What?
Show everybody how to do it. Harper's obsessed with sirens. That's her new thing, sirens.
Where is it?
Thunderbolt 1003.
No, it's a flamingo siren.
Oh, that's the flamingo siren. Uh-oh, Thunderbolt blew out of her mouth. Oh my God. Not too big because it will get stuck.
Oh my God. That.
Oh. Oh, don't smash the plate on too good. Now she's doing his splits. She looks like you.
But
Oh.
thanks for watching. See you next time. Stop.
Peace out. Whoa. She wouldn't peace out all right. She fell down.